Good morning, class 4. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada. This is the fourth video lecture of the chapter Teeth and Microbes. Till now, we have discussed permanent teeth, temporary teeth. We have also discussed different type of teeth in permanent set. We have also discussed different structure or part of the teeth. Today we are going to discuss how to take care of teeth, means how we can take care of our teeth. See, we should brush brush our teeth twice daily. दिन में 2 बार हम लोग को ब्रश करना चाहिए, so that we can keep our teeth safe or we can take care of our teeth. After every meal, we should rinse our mouth or rinse our teeth. That will remove the leftover food particle that stuck between the teeth to removed. So the food particle that stuck between the teeth, that is removed when we rinse our mouth or rinse our teeth. Doctors, they use a thin thread like structure called floss to remove the or to clean the gap between the teeth. So doctor used a thread like structure, a small thin thread, to remove the particles from the gap of the teeth between two teeth. That is called floss. When microorganisms grow on the teeth, it form a sticky layer. That sticky layer, yellow colored sticky layer, is called plaque. And this sticky layer, it causes bad breath and all those things. And these microorganisms present in the plaque, sometimes it produces an acid and which cause hole in our teeth, that is called dental cavity. And this cavity is too painful, बहुत दर्द होता है इसमें. So that happens due to an acid produced by the microorganism. This cavity in our teeth, that can be also be due to eating too much of sweet, chocolate, ice cream, and all those things. So if you eat too much of chocolate, ice cream, toffee, all those things, that also will cause cavity. Okay, so you should take care of our teeth, and if there is any cavity or any plaque in our mouth, that will result into bad breath, toothache, gum bleeding, and indigestion. So these are the problems that you face when your teeth is not healthy. So you need to visit regularly to dentist, means doctor that take care of the teeth is called dentist. Okay, see here. First, we should brush our teeth twice a day. We should brush our teeth twice a day. We should rinse our teeth after every meal. Okay, to do this, to remove the leftover food particles, dentists use floss, means dentists use thin thread called floss to clean between teeth. To clean the gap between the teeth, dentist would use floss. Next is plaque. What is the plaque? Sticky substance that form on the teeth by microorganism is called plaque. A sticky substance or layer formed on teeth by germs is called plaque. Since this plaque contains germs, these germs sometimes produce an acid, and that acid result into damage or making hole in the teeth, that is called cavity. Okay, so germs sometimes produces an acid which makes hole in teeth, which is called cavity. Okay, so not only the germs cause cavity, eating too much of sweet, chocolate, toffee, cold drink, ice cream also cause cavity. Okay, so eating too much sweet, chocolate, toffees, cold drink, ice cream, cream also decay our teeth. Decay means सड़ाना या खराब करना, डैमेज करना. Okay, so germs cause cavity, but the tooth is decayed by eating these too much of sweet, chocolate, toffee, cold drink, ice cream. Okay, so if the tooth is decayed, so what are the problem that you face? So tooth decay result into, क्या होगा, टूथ अगर सड़ गया या डिके हो गया तो व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्ट? फर्स्ट, बैड ब्रीथ, बदबू आना. सेकेंड, टूथ एक, दांत में दर्द होना. थर्ड, कैविटीज, होल होना, टीथ में होल हो जाना. ब्लीडिंग गम मीन्स मसूड़ा से ब्लड आना, ब्लीडिंग गम. एंड फिफ्थ इज indigestion. What is indigestion? खाना नहीं पचना. So if lots of plaque and cavity is there in your mouth, along with the food, this germs also enter into our stomach, where it may cause indigestion. Okay, so these are the problem that is faced when there is a decay in our tooth. So to avoid such problem, we should visit dentist regularly. So we should get our teeth checked regularly by dentists. So we should get our teeth checked by dentist regularly. So we should visit, or we should get our teeth, or we should visit leave it. So we should get our teeth checked regularly by dentist. Means we should visit dentist regularly. Okay. Thank you for the day.